Question 5, similar idea, but this time we're talking about a cone. So we need to know the volume of a cone formula. The volume of a cone formula is 1/3 pi r squared h. Well, we want to get everything in terms of r, but this thing here's got an h in it. So let's just say h is equal to 60 take away r. Just taking away the r from both sides there. So I've got 1/3 pi r squared and 60 take away r there. And really, isn't that exactly what we've just been asked to show? That and that are both the same thing. There's just a 3 on the bottom rather than a 1/3 outside. So if that is the volume, V equals 1/3 pi r squared, 60 take away r. We're going to need to differentiate this thing. So I think we're going to need to multiply this out. That times by 60 gives us 60 out the front here. Take away 1/3 pi r cubed. And we're now going to try and differentiate this. Don't worry about the pi's, they're just numbers. So this r squared here, we've got a 2, so we're going to times this by 2. I've got 120 over 3 pi r, minus times in by 3 here. Well, a third times 3 is just the 1, so we get pi r squared there. And that tidies up even better, really, doesn't it? I've just got 40 pi r take away pi r squared. We're asked to find out the maximum, so at the maximum, I'll write that again, at maximum dv by dr equals 0. So I've got 0 equals 40 pi r minus pi r squared. I'm going to factorise that. I can take out the pi and an r there. And that leaves me with 40 take away r there. So either r is equal to 0, well, if r is equal to 0, there's not going to be a cone at all, so that would be the minimum it could possibly be, or r is equal to 40, and that must be the maximum, and that's what you were asked to try and find, wasn't it? Find the maximum volume of the cone now, so now putting the 40 back into, well, just putting it back in that one there, shall we? So we've got the volume at 40 is 1/3 pi times by 40 squared times by 20, and just tapping that all into the calculator will give you 33510. 33510. Sorry about that, I must have touched something. 33510 centimetres cubed. I'd redo that if that didn't happen at the end of the video, but you've got everything there.